to my channel. What's up? What up, y'all? So today is another gorgeous day. It is August the 8th and I am in my city, downtown Detroit, period. About to have a good time. Got a room. Well, my mom, she got us a room because we're doing a girls' night. Got the girls with me. Say what's up.
Hey.
Oh, you know what? That's why, you know what? This will be the last time y'all see her ass on camera. She just too sedity for her own good. But yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all when I go check in. I'm just checking in to say what's up. Get out.
Trust me.
So we about to have girls' night. Woo, woo. All the ladies here. Mama's friend, cause she's extra cautious, extra quick. My daughter over here being fat, eating cookies.
I don't like it.
She don't like it. What kind of cookies is it?
I don't know.
Like an oatmeal? They gave us free complimentary cookies. I don't know. I'm gonna see what it tastes like in a minute. But I normally drink milk with my cookies. So I'll be back, y'all. I'll check in later. Yeah. Cookie. This cookie is actually good.
Cookie actually good.
The difference between imagining the future and being the future is what you do to get there.
Alright, y'all. I'm checking back in. We got some snacks for tonight. Probably ordered some from Uber Eats. I don't know what they got.
On that tab, too.
Mom, look. Don't talking junk on my. Some Gatorade. I don't know who the heck wants Gatorade. Oh. And we got some sour.
And just took it out and let you just go crazy. You know?
I don't even know what this is. My mom picked this up. Y'all see my mom over there talking junk. As usual, get used to that. And then, oh no, woo! Got vibe. And then we got my favorite, Dr. Pepper. We got some popcorn too. Orange juice. I guess it's for the drink bucket. I don't know. Then over here is the stuff for the popcorn. There's some water.
Let me find the
You gonna set up the bar? Where's?
I'm not gonna find it.
Family stroll, girls night 2020. Say woo, y'all. Mama, woo. Come on. Come on, look, you look nice. Go check on our car. We had ate some pizza earlier. I don't know if I got that. She's so little. Say hi.
Hi.
Making my way downtown, walking fast, something, something, and I'm homebound. Up on that big bump.
What is that? What is that? Oh, shit, what? Is that a cat? Oh, shit, what the fuck?
No, hell. Oh, my heartbeat. I just had a flashback. We was in Chicago, and that dead. Oh, my God.
We got caught by that.
Note to self, never walk down that street again. Hey guys, it is finally nighttime. It is 11:44.
Let me see his dick real quick. Good call. Mr. Bright ordered had a dick pic.
And we're probably about to play a game. I'm about to.
I can ID him.
I'm trying to make my mama stay up till like 3 o'clock in the morning, see if she can hang. Mama.
Not sure. He had a boner in his eye.
Did you hang?
Soft.
What's up, y'all? It's the next day. Yeah, we had so much fun yesterday. So I just opened a package that I received from Amazon, and this is what I got. I received some pillows. These are some throw pillows for my couch. I believe it's 4 in a pack. And I also ordered like these pillowcases for them. That's I got 4 of them. I actually have, let me show y'all, 2 more over there if you can see them. So the pillowcases actually came like Friday, and today's Sunday, so these I'm out of breath. These just came today, so I'm about to open these and put my pillows up. So I found these pumpkins at the Dollar Tree, and these are so cute. So it matches my decor, because I was debating if I'm going to change the living room into like some fall decor, but I think I'm not, because I just got this stuff and it has the orange and the blue. So this is kind of can be, you know, my fall little pillow case covers or whatever. And I found these, like I said, at the Dollar Tree, and it matched perfect. It matched these pillowcases perfect. So once we get to that point, I think I'm just gonna decorate with like pumpkin decor. Also seeing like some crystal clear pumpkin decor that I'm gonna add in as well. So I got 1 more pillowcase to go. I'm out of breath. I just got done vacuuming my car, and it's hot as hell outside. My last package that I got is, I know what these are. These are, now why they put this little package in this big envelope? I hate when they do that. So I got these little satin scarves that go over your head, you know, when you're doing your little baby hairs and stuff. So I got these. It was like 2 for $7 or something like that. So I'm gonna just keep one to give one to my daughter, so we can use these to lay our edges down. And that was basically it. Y'all, I need to time out. I'm about to go. Actually, I need to go record my living room tour. So, that video should be up now if you're watching this. So, y'all need to go ahead and head over to that video and like my video, share my video, comment on my video. So, I'll see y'all back in a sec. What's up? I'm back looking like Ain't Your Mama, a yellow version. But so I'm multitasking right now, doing my mom stuff. I'm cooking dinner right now, making chicken thighs, macaroni and cheese, and then like I got a can of Gloria green beans and potatoes. I'm also doing laundry, so I'm about to fold my laundry. I'm watching YouTube, and I'm also having a snack, which is, this is so bomb, y'all. Have y'all tried the strawberry yogurt? This is cherry. I had orange. I didn't care for orange. I haven't tried the lemon yet. And I had strawberry. Strawberry is pretty good, and the cherry. I didn't care for the orange, and I still got to try the lemon. But I'm about to fold these clothes. So I'm done folding clothes. I'm gonna show y'all what I got in the oven. This is the chicken thighs. They boneless chicken thighs. Chicken thighs are the best because they are juicier. And then I'm going to just add some Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce on there. And I'm cooking some of these Gloria seasoned greens and the best Velveeta macaroni and cheese. So basically that's Sunday's dinner. I was supposed to make some carrots because I don't want my carrots to go bad, but I think I'm gonna do that another day. Probably about to have me a drink and wind down because tomorrow is work day. So I don't have a lot, but I got enough to make a little drink, some Patron. So hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.